So hello everyone. Today we are going to be start our new chapter, that is linear equation in two variable. Okay. So students, you are very familiar with the linear equation in one variable, which you have already learned in your previous standards. Let's see. So you have listened. You have noticed the such types of the linear equation. It's your general form of that linear equation in one variable. Okay, means where the a is what? Your coefficient of x, coefficient of x, it's your constant term. For this given situation, it's your constant term, and this x is what? Your variable. What? Variable. So we have already learned this equation in our previous standard, but from today we will learn the linear equation in two variable. Okay, so let's see the general form of this linear equation in two variable, just like as means ax plus vy plus c equal to 0 means. So as you observe, the name of the name of the chapter is two variable, means there must be a two variable. कितने होंगे? दो variable ही होंगे. One is your x, another is your y. Okay, so x and y are the two variables, and these are the coefficient. A and b are the coefficient of x and y respectively, and the terms which have no variables, that is known as the constant term. What? Constant term. Okay, so it's your coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and it's your constant term. So it's your general form of linear equation in two variable. Okay, so whatever the items are given in your problems, you have to arrange that question according to this situation. Means you have to convert that situation in linear equation in two variables. Suppose that it may be the there may be the two different items, such as one is your pen, another is your pencil, one may be your apple, another may be your banana. The cost means the situation must be given in your question. So let's start this exercise. Exercise 4.a. Exercise 4.1. Okay, now first question, the statements like as the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write the linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Okay, so we have to write a linear equation for this statement. Okay, let's assume the cost of a pen equal to rupees x. Okay, and the cost of a notebook equal to what? Rupees y. Then according to question, what? Cost of a pen notebook is twice the cost of the pen. Cost of notebook is equal to what? Twice the cost of pen. This implies, what is the cost of a notebook here? Yes, y. And what is the cost of the pen here? So it means twice, means we will do the multiply by the 2. And what is the cost of the pen? Yes, x. So this implies that now we can change into the linear equation form. Okay, we can write like this. equal to 0, or sometimes you can write like this also, 2x minus y equal to 0. Okay, so both are correct. So you have to arrange the question in this format if the situation is given like this question. Okay, so now come to the next question, that is question number 2. Express the following linear equation in the form of the ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Means the condition is given that, what is the condition? Yes, the general form of the linear equation in two variables. We have to convert this the following situation in the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Okay, now so again I am reminding what is the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Yes, ax is ax plus by plus c. It's your standard, or you can say the general form of the linear equation in two variables. Now and we have to also indicate the value of a, b and c in the following switches. So first, in second question number second, we are doing here the first part. Yes, the first part is 2xy plus 3y, 2x plus 3y equal to 9.35 bar. Okay, now solution, we have linear, okay, it is sufficient. We have 2x plus 3y 9.35 bar. Now this implies you can write like this, 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equal to 0. So here we have already converted into the standard form of the linear equation in two variables. Now therefore, hence a equal to what? So compare this equation with the standard form of this linear equation in two variables. So what is the a? Here 2. What is b? Yes, 3. And what is c? C equal to minus 3.5 bar. Okay, I hope you got the idea how to solve such type of the question of exercise 4.1. Okay, let's solve the one more question. Okay, so this time we are solving the second part, sorry, 8th part of the same equation, question, that is 5 equal to 2x. Now see, it is going to be the most important because there is only one variable is given. So we have to make a linear equation, we have to convert this equation into the linear equation in two variables. Okay, are you getting my point? Now see, solution, we have what? 5 equal to 2x. We can write like this also, 2x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, so we can also write like this, 2x minus plus, here the x is already present here now, but here the y is not here. Okay, so we have to use the 0 into by, and we can write like this. Now this equation is converted into the linear equation in two variables. Okay, because here up to here there is no y, but here it's by, and the coefficient of y is what? The 0. So we can say that it's your linear equation in two variables. Now and a equal to, now compare with standard form, or you can say the general form. Okay, now we got what? A equal to 2, v equal to 0 and c equal to what? -5. It's your answer. Okay. Because in this question number second, you have to find out the value of the a, b and c also. Okay, first you will arrange the equation in the linear equation in two variable, then you have to find out the value of a, b and c. Okay, so it's enough for today. So do your practice regularly and enjoy your mathematics. Thank you, beta.